Hello everyone, this is Skelly Wolf here from the Hyper Members. I haven't done, oh no, this is pretty different now, so I'm actually doing toys review for the first time on Hyper Member YouTube channel. So yeah, we got 3 Hot Wheels toys right here, which I normally pick up right now. But here's the story. I picked these up today. So these 2 right here, it's one of them is the first 2 cars. It's the, I believe this is the Acura NSX and the Ford GTs in this one, I'm pretty sure, because someone's trying to hide this on the Mystery Series 2 pack, which I normally got like a long time ago already, because I only aim for this car, that's all. But now I'm looking for the Acura now. It's pretty hard to get nowadays, so funny enough I cannot find the number 1 car for some reason. But let's get on with the point. I'm gonna open up, I don't know what series this is, but it says collect them all, Hot Wheels, so yeah, collect them all. So we got the 14 Corvette Stingray, the 17 Ford GT, and wherever. Every car you see on here, then yeah. So I'm just gonna open up the Porsche 937 Turbo SRX. It's right here, which I'm gonna open right now. I have a duplicate anyway, so one is sealed up somewhere. Look at that. Look at that wheels. It's really nice. Here's the bottom of it. It's upside down, so I'll go this way. It's pretty nice. It's really nice. Here's the back. Here's the roof. The hood. It's pretty nice. Is it real? Yep, it does roll. Yeah, it's the best I could get, but I don't got my own place yet, so yeah. So I put it right there. Now, the way how I find them, I just look at the number. So it says 02, so this is 02 for the Acura. No, is it? Yeah, Acura. Because I get confused with these 2 cars. Like sometimes it's a Honda NSX or Acura, but the Ford GT is this one. So oh, look at that! That sweet smell. Sweet smell, guys. Oh, it says Hot Wheels on it. It's pretty neat. I just want a car picture, but you know, I got a Hot Wheels logo. Okay. Let's see, what about this? Oh, there's that beauty right there. Look at that. Look at the design on this. It's pretty nice. Damn. Yeah, and this way. It's pretty nice. I love the engine right here. I'm pretty sure that is the engine, but I'm not sure. Like, vroom, vroom. It's like pretty nice right here. I love it. Let's check out the Ford GT. I think I'm gonna open it like this. That's how I normally open it. Normally I don't really collect these poly bags, but I only collect the car inside it. The bag I really don't care much about it. Again with the logo. I was like, I want a car logo instead. But it's alright. It says Ford GT on it. Not bad. Just nothing in the back besides yellow. There we go, Series 3. Get the car out. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Let's see the camera can focus. There it is. There's a little paint chip on it, I'm pretty sure. I'm not really too sure. So here's the roof. The back. It's It's really hard to record like this. Here's the other side. It's really nice. Really nice. Here's the hood. Damn. The front bumper. The windshield. I love this. This is pretty damn nice. I might actually collect Series 1 and 2, just to be honest, but we'll see. There's Ford GT Le Mans. That's what it says, LM. Let's just get a close-up view like this. Here's all together. I only pick up 3, that's all. It's pretty nice. Oh, I almost dropped that one. Just put my, there we go. Put that together. Just damn, I like the Aqua. It's just pretty nice. I like the design. That's like, it reminds me of the, it's that rally car it reminds me of. I forgot what the name called, but comment down below if you know the color scheme of it. It really reminds me of it, but without the, but there's no dark green, I'm pretty sure. Damn. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is my first time doing it, so I know it's look pretty cheap out here, so I don't got a wherever studio I have, but this is the best I could work with. Have fun, make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell for more Hot Wheels or Matchbox or wherever toy I could get on. See ya!